Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter, which terrace house food are you, and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Demi Lee is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. So check in our filter gallery, and this is the filter, terrace house food. Tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button, and you have to tap on the screen. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.